How to fix our website is currently under maintenance error in DeepSeek. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, make sure you are using the latest version of DeepSeek. If you are using website, you cannot do it. But also make sure that you are connected to a stable internet. If you are using app, simply open your Play Store, search for DeepSeek and make sure you get the latest version by simply checking if there is an update button. So after that, if the problem still occurs, you can do nothing but wait. It is because due to heavy load in the website, it might take some time to complete its maintenance. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.